EcoWorld, creating tomorrow and beyond.
So, entering Singapore now. Quite a jam. No cameras allowed. Yep. So I've entered Singapore, and to my surprise, Jerome, which is my viewer, and I mean we've become friends since he joined Enduro. He waited by the side of the highway and waved at me. It's like crazy. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we're here. Yeah, that's his car in the Passat wagon. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Yeah. It's been a while since I came back to Singapore. Yeah. Yes. Finally. That's Jerome. He's guiding us, joining us together, and I'm a happy man. I am a happy man. Okay. So we're heading to this place called Dempsey Hill. Apparently it's where car clubs, you know, car guys meet up. So Anton from Horizons Drivers Club. Yeah, there's a Horizons Drivers Club here. Is organizing a meet today. So they came up yesterday and joined Horizons Evoclub meetup, and today we're coming to Singapore and join them in their car meet, and of course check around other cars as well. And then after this we will head to ABM Motors, which for those who know, Singapore has that famous vending machine style car dealer where he puts all the supercars on a tower, right? So it's a vending machines. So the owner, Gary, super nice guy, he came over yesterday and joined our drive the whole day, and we're gonna go to his place. And of course, before that, we'll walk around Singapore and check out all the car dealers or dealer brands that we don't get in Malaysia. Yeah. Alright, I'll continue the video later once I got closer to Dempsey Hill. Cheers. Another 10 minutes and we should be there. This is the I don't know which highway, BKE or PIE. Singapore is full of abbreviations for some reason. Like they like to be specific about things. That's why they have very descriptive phrases, but after that the phrases are then abbreviated, and the abbreviation became the official name or term. Anyway, I miss coming back. For those who don't know, my father's side, like my grandpa, my grandma, my aunts and all, they're all Singaporeans. So yeah, so I mean we tend to come back like really frequent, because picking up my grandma, sending my grandpa down. But of course my grandma passed away a few years ago, and my grandpa is about 100 years old now. So yeah, it's like there's lesser and lesser reason for us to come back anymore. But we do, picking up my aunt and all that. Anyway, yeah, yeah. Everything is so well manicured. The roads are smooth. You know, everything is just nice, I guess. Singapore feels very Audi. You know, everything is precise, accurate. Lacks a little bit of Alfa Romeo. A little bit of, you know, that. Anyway, I'll continue the video when I arrive, basically. I distinctly remember Singapore road conditions was way better last time. Last time meaning maybe 10 years ago. Yeah. I don't remember that many patching, and maybe patching is a modern method of you know, doing road work, but I remember back then we don't experience that much of undulation, you know. Yeah. I mean, overall, I mean, the worst of what you will have in Singapore is still considered perfect condition in Malaysia, alright? Make no mistakes about that. And Malaysia's worst, Singaporeans will not consider that as roads. Okay, anyway. Yep. Now I see patchwork. Quite a bit. Oh. I do miss coming back a bit. Yeah. 6 minutes away. Should be there. One thing that I really like about Singapore is seeing old infra that are well maintained. You know, even handrails or certain bus stops or road signs. I love seeing this, you know, like these bus stops, they've been here for like, I cannot even imagine how many years, but they're well maintained. This is very, very important, and something that Malaysia, you know, Malaysia just love to give out contracts to build new things and then don't maintain them, and then they break and then build again. But yeah, maintaining older stuffs gives out a certain charm to a city, you know. But of course, these are only things that can be observed from an outsider. Most Singaporeans I met complain no end about this or that, which I take it, I understand it, you know. Human nature wanting better, right? So beautiful. The trees, the grass, the greenery is and they don't plant stupid flowers on the side of highways requiring a lot of maintenance costs, you know. I mean, why, like Malaysia, we plant all the colourful flowers for what? They're short-lived, and it's just a waste of money. But you see all these, the trees, the grass and all that, they are really, really nice. Sorry for my voice, I only slept like 3 hours. Yeah. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. Dempsey Road. Oh, so we're near, very near. We're very here. feels like a prettier version of Bukit Tungku. Very nice. Oh, there are restaurants here, parking here. Such a nice place. Beautiful. Okay, I see an M3, probably for the car meet. Dover Street Market, Tangden. Oh, what a beautiful car. E92 M3. I can't deny it. Singapore is beautiful. You know, at least proper. You know, everything is well done. I mean, that's the thing. When you don't have corruption, contracts are given to people who qualify and they do a good job. If they don't do a good job, it goes up to another person. How hard is it for Malaysians to understand this? See, who says Singapore is clean? Just a little bit of rubbish. Okay. I guess we're quite early. Beautiful Dempsey Hill. Next time I come Singapore, I'll come here for dinner or something with my wife. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see Chiang there. I see an A45 here. Nicely parked. This is the place, I guess. We're here!
因为之前我们住的地方，它是一栋 condo 来的，准就在一个 highway 的旁边。
最大的不一样就是它比较安静，
环境优美又安全，
是空气也很好，在外国的感觉，
梦想中的一个地方。对，
这里的环境真的是比外面的好很多很多。
Just really like the environment in Eco Botanic.
I can feel the environment here is quite perfect, I would say.
有很多小朋友啊、大朋友啊在这里。
我每天早上在外面跑来跑去的嘛。
I walk my dogs every afternoon.
这是一个非常适合孕育下一代的环境。
就每天早晚小狗都会在草坪上去撒欢的去跑，它们是小朋友最开心的时候，跟小狗一块儿。
是无意间在刷 Facebook 的时候看到这个广告。
我是很喜欢拍我的小孩的他成长的过程的 video。
I really like the nature, and I would like to capture like this moment.
这样我就躺在那边，我的孙就看见，他讲哦，婆婆你在那边啊，我跟你拿广告，我要打广告，就是这样咯。
因为我拍的是我的女儿嘛，所以我就觉得这里就有让我觉得是一个家的感觉。
我搬来这里2年多，我都没有锁过门。但是我觉得说就是 OK 啊，你知道吗？因为保安什么都很好 ，CCTV 很多。
Security guards, they're very nice, they're friendly.
每次看见你，一直跟你 Hello morning 这样子咯。
有时候我们忘记锁门，那个 guard 一定会叮咚我出去关。
这里自然很好，
大家都很善良啊，你知道吗？就是不认识的人，遇到彼此都会互相打招呼。
Also some nice people around me, some nice neighbor, and I also made friends with them.
他们经常都会来我家看我家的狗啊，或者是帮忙我照顾我的家。
周末都会来这里，因为它有很多食物可以选择。
就有时候会来这边跟家人吃个饭，或者是跟女朋友来cafe一下。
然后又有大学，我以后孩子读书完全不用担心。
都会跟朋友说，就是这里的环境很好，然后why not 大家一起搬过来这边住？
所以我有介绍我的邻居来住啊，我还跟他讲再做回邻居。
我已经推荐了 N 百个朋友了，就是一个港崩都在这里了已经。
你知道，在外面非常吵闹的那些生活节奏里面，然后突然间来到这里的时候，你就觉得说心就非常的安，然后在这边都很安静，就是可以推荐给所有的人。
Eco Botanic 是我会想要生活的地方。
Eco Botanic 是一个适合住到老的地方。
Eco Botanic is a hidden paradise，
是一个一家人能享受幸福的花园，
就是一个让我觉得非常心安、非常安心的一个地方，
是一个非常适合老少一起居住的地方。
Eco Botanic best